Former Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's ouster comes at a critical juncture for India. Hasina had been a key ally for India, helping foster defense, economic, and cultural ties between the two neighbors. India is currently contending with an aggressive China and a hostile Pakistan on the Western Front. With the chaos now also ensuing in Bangladesh, India will have to deal with volatility on its eastern border as well.
The difficult part starts now as to what kind of economic governance architecture, political governance architecture Bangladesh and the interim government is going to create, which means that there is going to be a lot of political, economic uncertainty, policy uncertainty for a while. And that means that all the projects, for example, that India has signed with Bangladesh, they would be at a standstill.
Bangladesh is India's 25th largest trading partner. India has made significant investments in the region over the last 2 decades. The bilateral trade currently stands at $12.9 billion. Recently, India also secured the operational rights of the strategic Mongla port. All that goes into jeopardy due to the political flux in the country, with fears of growing Chinese influence and ISI interference gaining strength.
भारत के खिलाफ एजेंसीज हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, खासतौर पे पाकिस्तान जो प्रॉक्सी वॉर चला रहा है कश्मीर में, वो भी चाहता है कि किसी ना किसी तरह से भारत को घेरे रखे, अपनी इन्फ्लुएंस से घेरे रखे। चीन उसके साथ है। चीन भी बांग्लादेश का सबसे बड़ा ट्रेडिंग पार्टनर है। बांग्लादेश की फौज के पास इक्विपमेंट जो है वो ज़्यादा चीन का इक्विपमेंट है, तो चीन की भी इन्फ्लुएंस है यहाँ पर। और चीन और पाकिस्तान को मिलकर शायद वो चाहते हैं कि ऐसी स्थिति बनाए ताकि भारत का जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट का इलाका है, इसमें कुछ हद तक जो स्थिरता है, स्टेबिलिटी है, उसके अंदर बाधा पड़े।
India shares more than 4,000 kilometers of border with Bangladesh in West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram. There has been a constant influx of people from across the border throughout these decades, more so during periods of volatility. Experts have expressed concerns over the potential spillover.
We have a 4,000-kilometer border with Bangladesh. We have declared a curfew on the Indian side, 200 meters, to make sure that there is no influence. But this is the biggest worry for Bangladesh, that since there is this long land border, that people, whatever happens inside Bangladesh, any instability spills over on the Indian side of the border. So we are worried about it.
With Hasina's departure, India will have to navigate its way through a plethora of diplomatic and strategic challenges on multiple fronts. It can ill afford the creation of another hostile enemy waiting in the wings. It remains to be seen whether the ongoing situation in Bangladesh evolves in India's benefit or detriment.